Hello everybody, I'm Luis. In this video let's talk about icons for the light and dark theme inside the Revit 24 and beyond. This video we're gonna use these icons that I create using the Autodesk icon guidance. So just a sample, just have some fun and have icon to work, and you can use your plugin if you want. And I'm gonna create a simple plugin just to swap the icon depending if it's dark or light inside the Revit. And yeah, I already create a project. It is in here. Let's build this. It's an empty one, but yeah, it's gonna appear in here. If I click that, I'm gonna show the version of my Revit. And first I'm gonna make a simple button in here to swap and change to the dark theme to the light and so on. So I'm gonna go here, theme manager, current theme equal to the current themes if is equal to light, could be, yeah, and I need to dark and then light. Yes, that's it. This dark gonna change to light and this light gonna change to dark. If I click in here, gonna swap that. Yes, great. And now I'm gonna download that icons so I can use in that plugin. So I'm gonna go here. I can download in the release, or I can just go in here and download this. By the way, this have the PNG in 16, the small icon, and 32, the large one, and the icon have both size inside, so can use directly in the ricaun.ref.y library. So I have both, no problem. And let's open these images. Have the box and the cube version. So yeah, where's my project? This one, I'm gonna go in the resource, let's create a folder, image. Yes, good. Let's open this. Good enough. And let's drag everything through here. And let's remove what I don't need. I am gonna use the version or the icon version. Let's delete everything. Let's delete this. Yes. And I don't want the box version as well. I don't need that. Only the cube that's gonna be used. So let's go back in here, and I need to select everything and change the build action to resource. Yeah. So the plugin could, the library could find inside my DLL, my assembly, my plugin anyway. So if I go on the app right now and change this to images slash cube, let's try the yellow one and build this, should change to my icon yellow. Yes. And if I change here to dark, something like this, I'm gonna change the dark one that is lighter and doesn't have the border, a dark border, basically this. So I don't need that as well. Great. Let's create one for each icon. So let's go in var icons. Let's create a list or array. So let's try the gray version, and then I need the blue. Let's open my, I could copy in here. Yes, let's go here. I have the red one and yellow, green, and then cyan, yes, the blue, and then I have the purple one, purple, the pink, and finally the brown. Brown, brown, yeah. And I can do something like this. This is gonna be icons. This is gonna be icon. Yes, and I'm gonna swap this one to icon. I need to add this color, this one, and should have, yeah, every color in that. I'm gonna change in here to change the name to the color. So we're gonna be something like this. Yeah, good. That looks great, actually. So, and I could swap this with sets. I'm not sure if I can create a small image in here. It in size, I'm not sure. Standard, not sure if I can. This, yeah, this works. Yeah, looks terrible, but yeah, that works. Anyway, let's put the other one that's gonna be better. And yes, that's my large image. And if I click in here, I'm gonna swap to the dark theme, the light theme actually, but the icon is still in the dark, so you can see how bad this is. And I can go back in here and change this to be the light one. So yeah, that's basically the difference. Yeah, and let's make now something to swap that image on the fly. Yeah, in the Revit 24 we have this new application dash theme change event. Yes, let's use that. Actually, let's make a class. Gonna be better. Public class ribbon image theme selector, something like that. It work. No, thank you. I want to public this one. I need the Y application here. Yes, Y control application actually. And why is not showing what I want? This one, yes. And I'm gonna add it's possible because I like to use that to dispose in the shutdown. So, and basically like that. So let's create public private static. This one will be this name small. Let's initialize in here. This one, yes, and in the end, almost that. Add disposal, and yeah, basically like that should work. And now in here, I'm gonna add this application theme change, yes, and in the end, the dispose, I'm gonna remove the event. That's a good idea. And let's try this just to show if it's working fine. Change, yeah. If I go here and I click, I'm gonna show in my console the theme change. So yeah, it's working. It's working. And now let me think. I'm gonna create a private list ribbon item. Yes, could be this. Great. And let's try public void date images. Yes, something like this. For each, let's try something like that. Should work fine. ribbon dot name texts, actually it in texts, I guess. Yeah, I guess. And let's put this one here. Great. And I need a way to add pivot add ribbon item. Could be ribbon item, and this one add no ribbon items that adds a ribbon item. Yes, that's good. Let's try if I using let me think. Let's add this part. Items could be better. Add range. This is in here. Yeah, that's gonna be easier. Yes. Now if I add the ribbon, if I go in here, add ribbon item, should change. Yeah, that's good, no problem. If I go in the ribbon panel dot get ribbon items, I'm gonna get each item inside that is a list. Okay. I gonna roll back this and try a different approach just to make more simpler, I guess. I try this. Where is it? In here? Nope, I want in here. Could be. Item. And this one in here. This is gonna be not this. Copy. Yes. I guess that's working, so let's try. If I click in here, should appear all the ribbon items that I add in that list. So if I click again, I can get these items, these ribbons, and make whatever I want, basically. So I could try something like, what is it? In here, yeah. Let's try something just to show that's working. Set large image resources dash rev.ico. And if I do that, should if I change the theme, should change for everyone. Yeah, that's working. Great. Let's now make the icon to swap to the existent one. So yeah, let me think a good way to do that. Private void update image theme, guess ribbon item. Could do something like this, I guess. Gonna be simpler, I think. So first, what I need to do, I need to get the current theme. Y theme manager dot current theme, yes, could be great. And I know that I only gonna apply this when it is a button. We're gonna try to update other stuff. So if it's a ribbon button, yes, ribbon button, yes. ribbon button. Great. Because I need to get the large image in here to make sure. I could add in the extension something like that. Yeah, maybe. But let's use this. So let's add other if in here just to make sure. If this is bitmap source, this one, and it's gonna be source, could be something like that. And let's just to show that's working, let's try image text string, I guess, or better, source string. Yes, so source dot true string. Yes, dot, let's ignore the change everything to lowercase. And if I do something like this, just to show, get file name, this one. If I do this, let's click in here, gonna show all the images for each ribbon or ribbon button. So now I can make that to change, can check what is doing and change for what I want. And what I gonna do with that? Let's try first. Let me think what I need to do. I'm gonna create some const string ico just to make easier. Ico, yes, and let's add the dark one. Dark, yes, this is gonna be dark in lowercase, I guess. And yes, that's it. So that's basically it, I guess. And now remove this. I need to do something like that. Is I need to check the version first. Theme equal, let's add something like that, is light. If not string talk, replace, I'm basically gonna replace the icon to this one and try to check if that image or that resource exists in my assembly. If it exists, I'm gonna swap to the new version. If not, gonna do nothing. So that's basically it. Gonna replace the icon to the dark one. Icon dark. Yes, and then I'm gonna get the bitmap resource. Basically gonna check if that exists, and if is bitmap source, I'm gonna do something. Let's do something like this. Source dark, guess. Actually, no. Let's do something like this. This dark source, yes. And then I'm gonna change this ribbon button. Set large image. Large image, yes. And yeah, gonna be dark source. That's basically it. And I'm gonna need to do something similar to the dark one. And this is gonna be here, this is gonna be here. Let's change this to the light one. Just lights. And I guess that's it for this. Let's build this, and yeah, kind of makes sense. Should be the dark one, and this is the dark, and this is not changed for the light one. Why not? Why not? This is dark. Light, let's show these. I'm removing low case, makes sense. Why is not changing? Okay, let's something I'm doing wrong. I'm not seeing. F, get file. This one. Just string, yes. And this one gonna be the dark one. Let's try again. Yeah, it's not brown. The dark one is not working. Why? Actually, I'm doing wrong. This should be, I'm doing wrong. Yeah, this should be dark. Yes, this should be light. Now, cube brown dark. What? This is working? Why this is not working? What I'm doing wrong? Update image. What I'm doing wrong? Okay, I'm dark. This is not valid. Why not? It's already dark. Okay, let's try. Maybe it's because of this. No. Because of this. That makes sense. How can I swap? That's annoying. Yeah, the problem is because gonna need to make. Actually, no, not sure if it's not gonna work. Yeah, yes. I did not expect that, but let's try a little different. Let's create something like in here, just change. What happened if I do something like this? Just to make sure. Path dot exchange extension. What happens if I do this? Put a dot in the end. Kinda makes sense. Yeah. I probably need a better way. That's gonna be terrible, but yeah, let's try to fix this using the something like private string change. Change extension. Yeah, that's gonna be horrible. But to finish this video and to make work, let me discover another better way. Let's path guess. And bum 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 bum. This is gonna be spring extension. Yeah, could be. That's gonna be horrible, I guess. But let's try this. If I change this and this path, choose 0, then I trim the end with something like this. I could add the extension by hand. Yes, return. This kind of makes sense, I guess. But not gonna work. Damn it. Yeah, gonna need to search for better. Yeah, replace last sharp. Or better. This is gonna be replaced. Get. Oh boy, that's get inventory. Get. I guess this is gonna work. Combine. Get path. No, get file name. File name, yes. This is gonna remove, replace, and this is gonna be del. What's the name of replace? Old string new value null, and this is gonna be replace. Yes, this looks horrible, but should work. Let's try and see. It's not working. Yeah. Why? Probably change something in the okay. Yeah, let's copy this. Let's change this. This gonna work. Could be this one. Could be public, private as well. And yeah, now should work. Yes. Why I did it so much? Waste so much time in this small problem. But yeah, anyway, now should be working. Finally, by clicking here, it's the light one, the dark one. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So I need to remove. I don't need this. I don't need this. And I don't need this as well. Let's change to force. Let's change this one. Let's. Yes. Remove. Let's make sure if this is working. Let's remove the blue one for this place. Let's put in none. Let's build again. And yeah, that is working like intended. Yeah, because it doesn't exist in the source, in the resource. It's not showing in that. Yeah, that's working. Yeah. Not like I would like, but yeah, that's working like. And yeah, if this, I remove this, I'm not sure if it's updating. It's updating to dark, not sure. If I remove this, yeah, that's really, yeah, it's working. And if I change this to the set it in size to standard, should be the small one, and should be working as well. Yep, that is working fine, great. I don't need this anymore. Let's build this and that's it. Interesting. Out of range. Yes, it's missing something. Why? And yes, I need something like this. Probably. I don't know why this happened only now. That's a good question. Strange. Anyway, yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe in the channel. I'm gonna release in the GitHub, I guess, this one. And yeah, let's do it right now. So this is, let's see, today is 4/01/11. Good enough. Not sure if we're gonna release actually. Sample to swap the icons when theme change in Revit 24. Good enough. Let's remove this. I don't need that. I'm not gonna release. Put in here, no problem. And what else I need? This should work. Yes, as well. And only verse 24. Yes. Great. Yes, that's it. Let's go in the Git. Let's put local one first. Let's create this. I'm gonna change this to develop. Yes. Yes, thank you. And let's release this. I'm gonna release after that. I'm gonna put the video in here, this video in here, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye.